Hello, welcome to APG.Studio and another day 18 of our downward dog yoga challenge to promote positivity. Campaign is August is a positivity month, and yoga also brings the positivity. So let's do it together. Day 18. Start on your knees, place your left leg to your side, squeeze your glutes on your left, lift your right arm, inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel nice on your right side. Relax your left shoulder. Inhale, slowly exhale. And relax. Okay, now right leg straight. Squeezing glutes on your right side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Now on your floor, your left leg straight, and start to rock your body back and forth. Keep your abdominal muscles engaged. So you've got your pelvis slightly tucked under, so you're not dropping your belly, not arching lower back. Try to keep your lower back flat. Great stretch for your left leg, calf and your hamstring, so all the muscles at the back of your left leg. Also, we strengthen your core and work for upper body. For women, especially wrist. It's a good way to work for stronger upper body and stronger wrist. Inhale and exhale, maybe one more. Okay, now right leg straight, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more time. Okay, give your wrist some rest. So we'll go in child pose. If your hips lower or higher, the position works better. You can shake your hands. You can circle your arms on the side. And now slowly on your floor to down dog position and march on the spot. Still don't worry if you can't hold your legs straight. It's more important you're able to move your body backward, to bring your head between your arms, to lengthen your spine. Instead, straight legs, but you're pushing your weight forward, your balance to the front. We need to push the balance the back, okay? Slowly on your floor, right leg forward, holding 90 degrees behind both knees. Strong glutes on your left side. Now hands together, inhale. As you exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, center. Slowly exhale. You're going to feel the stretch in your left leg, your inner thigh. Could be your hip as well. Inhale. and exhale. So really press your right foot to the floor. So when you twist, you got your leg the same position, not pushing out. Okay, inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Inhale, slowly exhale and relax. Okay, now left leg front of you, again not too far, knee directly above your ankle, squeezing glutes on your right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, now let's lay down your belly. Very slowly take position. Start your forearms. Remember, you need to squeeze your glutes as much as you can. Inhale, try to lift your chest. Slowly exhale, relax. Still forearms, which is fine, or try hands maybe wider than your shoulders width apart. If you got stronger lower back, good flexibility in your spine, you can try hands closer to lift your hips off the floor. But if you're going to feel any discomfort in your lower back, just stop. Inhale, slowly exhale, maybe one more, and relax. Forearms, so you're on your four, and child pose. This time your hips high, so you're trying to push your chest down. Inhale, try to lift, and slowly exhale. Feel the stretch. Upper body, chest, shoulders, arms, as well as your lower back and your glutes. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Let's sit with your cross legs, nice and upright position. So if you're struggling, you can use, if you've got yoga blocks, to sit higher. Could be blanket, could be pillow. Right leg at the front, and now right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale to your left side, keeping your right on the floor, right hip still down. Inhale, slowly exhale. Watch your right arm, the best if you're straight. Relax your shoulders. Check your smile. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, change your leg. We've got left at the front and left arm up. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Now lift your shoulders, slowly relax. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one, both together. Inhale and exhale. And now right arm. When you inhale, try to twist to your right. Exhale back to center. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And now your left. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And relax. Okay, so let's lay down on your back. Bring your knees close to your chest, arms close to your body, and rock your hips side to side. Nice stretch for your lower back, your hips, glutes. Relax your neck as well, so you can turn your head opposite direction when your legs to your left. Turn your head to your right side. Link the movement of your breaths. Inhale and slowly exhale. Feel this nice stretch. And now arms, the same position, and you're trying to lift your legs. You've got your legs still crossed. Inhale, as you exhale, try to lift, and we're stretching the same muscles, but we're adding the hamstrings as well. The long muscles, back of your legs. Neck, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Place your feet flat on the floor and let's move side to side. So a little bit less for your upper body today, for your wrists. Trying to go easy with the same muscles. I'm going to use them tomorrow again, so it's gonna be more down dog and upward dog tomorrow. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, feet on the floor. Let's roll on one side and slowly take a sit. Cross legs, inhale arms, and slowly exhale. And one more. Okay, so thank you. Another day with yoga. Stay positive. So if you enjoyed it, please give us thumbs up and please leave the comments how you're doing, how you're feeling doing yoga with us. If you just started, this is your first day, or maybe you started from the day one. Okay, slowly building strength and flexibility in your body. So every day is slightly different. So thank you for now. Stay safe, healthy, tune with us. And yeah, thank you for supporting Pawsitivity Month, Birmingham Dog Home. Bye guys.